Bruno Retailleau condemned on Wednesday, June 4, the pathetic, unbearable criticism from the left, accusing him of fostering racism in the air to use Olivier forwards, after the killing of a Tunisian man in the Var region this weekend. Why does he say that? Do you recognize the accusation? It's pathetic, unbearable. If I understand Olivier for correctly, it's because I am on the front line against Islamism that I'll end to racism, he said on RTL, adding, Islamism is not Islam, Islamism distorts the face of our Muslim compatriots. A few minutes later, on Sud Radio, Olivier Faure maintained these comments from the day before. He deliberately created an atmosphere that supports the manifestation of racism, he stressed, agreeing with a number of political leaders, LFI, environmentalists and community activists. For example, Manuel Bompard, leader of the Insoumis movement, spoke of an Islamophobic atmosphere. When Mr. Retailleau entered a public meeting and shouted down the veil, while he was Minister of the Interior and Religious Affairs, it was clear that he was criticizing all French citizens who are Muslim, he called on TF1, referring to other previous comments by the Place Beauvau resident. I remember that he said that in France there are French people on paper, a way of dividing the French into two categories. I remember that he also explained that a part of the French people are regressing to their national origins, he listed it like that, at the same time estimating that Bruno Retailleau contributed to harmful atmosphere in the workplace for many months. In fact, the Republican president has been regularly accused by the left of being racist or Islamophobic by targeting, especially through his vocabulary, immigrants, Muslim, young people from the suburbs, French or not. He faced widespread criticism of the same kind in late April, when he responded slowly to the Aboubacar Cissé case. Since the latest killing in the Var region by a man who described himself as a far-right activist, a number of religious, political and community leaders have sounded the alarm. According to figures from the Interior Ministry, anti-Muslim acts increased by 72% in the first quarter. It is time to question those who promote this hatred, the rector of the Paris Grand Mosque, Shamseddine Hafiz, said in a statement on Tuesday. Without specifying who was targeted, but those in the political and media sector, whose activities are completely impermissible and lead to extremely serious action.